Alright guys, we're back with another video for today, January 21st, 2026. Today's a Wednesday. So I took this trade, Euro CHF, last night. As you guys can see on my notebook, January 20th, 2026, Euro CHF. Why did I take this trade? The reason why I took this trade is because the market is in a downtrend for the whole day. And I saw my stop loss area and my take profit area clear. It keeps breaking lows. That's why I'm taking the position, right? So this is the position. It break this low, then it went up, then it break this low, then it went this low, right? Then it went up, then it kept closing lower. So my stop loss was above this line. My stop loss was here, so it stopped me out this morning. As you guys see, let's see. What should I go to show you guys the loss I took today? Oh, yep. There it is, 0.30, 0.39, these two entries, right? As you guys can see, this is the entry, 2026, 01, 21, yeah, 2026, 2026. So yeah, these are accurate, right? So yeah, man, like, it stopped me out right there. So my stop loss should have been a little bit above it, man, cause yeah, I mean, cause it looks like it's still respecting this resistance area, cause it was a previous support. It was support, but now it's becoming a resistance, right? And yeah, so that's why it stopped me out. And yeah, man, like I said, I want to follow my plan for this week. I want to follow my plans, not just for this week, but for the rest of the year. Take two trades. Like I think I took a Euro GBP trade, and I did move my stop loss. Let me show you guys. You see, this trade was beautiful. You see this? It was going up. It never went and stop loss. Then it just moved up. One thing I should have kept one entry running, have two entries, TP right here, then left one entry running, and keep moving my stop loss above every time. So yeah, but that was a beautiful trade right here. That was right here, beautiful trade. But I had moved my stop loss to break even, then it did this right here, because this area was like an area where I put my stop loss at. Then instead of here, I moved my stop loss somewhere here, then it just went down here and stopped me out, then it made the big move. So yeah, but this one, it definitely stopped me out because my stop loss was a little way too close. As you guys can see right here, it had to take me out. So something else I have in my notebook is, what is the result of this trade, right? So I'm gonna write down, hold on, put my camera down like this. I'm gonna write down the result of this trade was a loss, because my stop loss was at the liquidity area. Liquidity area. Yeah, so my stop loss was too close to, it was kind of too close. That's why, way too close. And yeah, what would I do? Yeah, so that's it. I mean, that's the reason why it stopped me out. So I'm not gonna do anything else besides that. The result of this trade was a loss because my stop loss was the liquidity, wasn't was at the liquidity area. What will I do if I win this trade? When I win this trade, I will respect my rules and be done for this week. And yeah, be done for this week. What would I do if I lose this trade? If I lose this trade, same thing. I follow my rules and I stay disciplined, not greedy. Don't let emotions make me stupid. So yeah, I'm just keep following that plan. And yeah, like I said, once I take one win, one loss for the week, so that's it for this week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going back in. So 2 entries, that's how I do it. 1 or 2 entries for the week, and maybe 1 entry. Yeah, 1 trade or 2 trades for the week. 1 entry or 2 entries. That's it. It could be like 4 entries for the week, or 3 entries for the week, or 2 entries for the week. You know, just that's it. So that's how I'm gonna stick and trade. And because, like I said, I want to do better in my trading, and I want to follow my plans, man. I want to make sure I don't rush things. I don't, like, ruin things and shit like that, man. Cause I really want to succeed in trading, bro. I really want to make it in this shit, man. I really want to do better and be a profitable trader, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like, I kind of know I can be a profitable trader. Like, I know it is real. I know it is possible. But yeah, like I said, it stopped me out right here. Made a high right here. Stopped me out. Then went down a little bit, but it didn't go down to TP. I'm not going back in because I want to follow my plans, bro. Because like I said, if I take 1 win, 1 loss for the week, that's a break-even week. 2 wins, that's a win week. 2 losses, oof, that's a lost week, man. That's a lost week, and I don't want to go back in. I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to push it anymore and just mess things up even more. So yeah, yeah, man. I mean, it's been an okay journey, man. It's been an okay, I'm saying, the journey's been hard, but it's not supposed to be easy either. You know what I'm saying? It's not supposed to be easy, and things should. Let's take my time with things. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a lot to say for this video, man. It is Son the Trader, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.